Is live view not working on your Canon camera? Is the screen staying black or nothing happened when you press the button? This is often caused by incorrect settings, a locked lens, or live viewing mode being disabled. But don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to get live view up and running again on your Canon camera. Let's get it fixed right now. Solution 1. A lens not attached or not fully locked. Turn off the camera, detach the lens, and reattach the lens. Make sure it clicks in place firmly. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Enable live view in the menu. First, turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the live view shoot option. Select it, then press the set button. Here you will get the two options, enable and disable. To enable, select enable, and then press the set button to save it. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Now press on the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button, then select OK, and then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while, and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.